Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Myself Jay Patel, and today in this video I'll be talking about the AI Skills Fest from Microsoft. So if you don't know what exactly AI Skills Fest, then you are missing on a lot of things, and I don't want that you miss on those things. So that's why I'm making this video. So as you can see on the screen, this program is live from June 8 till June 12, and this is the AI Skills Fest from Microsoft. And one of the most interesting things about this program is that you can get a free Microsoft certification voucher through this. Yes, you heard it right. You'll be getting a free Microsoft certification voucher, but for that, you need to follow a few steps. And that's why I'm creating this video for you so that you can, get that free certification voucher and, just register or schedule your favorite Microsoft exam. All right. So as you can see on the screen, we have this section of events where you can find this AI Skills Fest. By the way, the link of this fest is provided into the description box. So you can simply go there and check it out from there. All right. So you just need to click on this AI Skills Fest and then you'll be able to see something like this. And when I just scroll down, you can see that I have completed this first playlist. So here I have the list of all the playlists which I can complete. And you can also, switch between different tabs if you want to see the playlists related to different sections, like we have developers, business professionals, educators, and students. So you can just change it to different tabs, and from there you can find different types of playlists. I have completed this first playlist, right? And you can simply go and complete the playlist of your choice. So let me just click on view details for this second playlist and show you that how exactly you can do this thing. So I'm going to click on view details. Right, so now it is going to open this playlist for me. You simply need to complete the modules which are there in the playlist. So I'm just going to show you that how you can complete these modules. So you can just click on this start this playlist button. You can click on start learning. And now as you can see, it is showing me different sections of a particular module. You just need to, watch these videos. So I'm just going to go through this video, right? And the moment you just go through these videos, right, you can just see that it is showing me the progress, and then you can click on next. So now this first step is completed. Then again, you need to scroll down. You just need to go through all of these things. You can just click on next, and then again, it will, update the progress for me. So as you can see, it is showing the progress here. So simply you just need to go through all of these things, right? I'm just going to click on next, and right now it is showing me 50% progress. So you just need to make sure that you go through this like this, and the moment it shows you a complete tick mark, then you can just make sure that it is completed, right? So it's like that only, and then you can just simply click on next. Again, we are on the next page. We can just click on next. All right. Then we can again click on next. So you just need to complete the modules like this as I'm showing, right? And when you go through all of this, modules, okay, you just need to make sure that all of this are, showing like this. Sometimes it shows, it takes some time to show the perfect progress. So you just need to, scroll it up and down like this. And now as you can see, it is showing me all of them by gray tick marks. I can just click on next, next, and then I can click on done. The moment I click on done, you can see now it is going to show me the progress. So the progress is now 67%. So see, already I've completed 67% of it by just showing you some of the steps, right? And you just need to complete all of these things which are showing here, and then the progress is going to be 100%. The moment you get 100% progress, you just need to visit this scaling playlists section, and from there you can see the progress of your playlist, right? So you can see that now I have 3 playlists showing here, and it is going to show me the progress of each one of them. So this one was something which I created by myself. So make sure that you do not create a scaling playlist by yourself. You can create it, but that is not eligible for the voucher. So for getting or we can say for getting the voucher, the eligible playlists are only the ones which are listed here into this AI Skills Fest. So make sure that you complete any one of these playlists, only then you'll be eligible for the voucher, right? So as you can see, I completed this one, and then what I will be doing is that I can see this option here, which is playlist complete, and then it is showing me the option of check what's unlocked, right? So I'll just click here, and the moment I click here, it is going to open the Microsoft form for me, but I just have to fill a few details like my first name, last name, email address. So make sure that the email address which you're filling here is same as that of your logged in account, and then you just need to select your role, your country or region, and then you can just click on submit, and you will be receiving the voucher by 19th June on your registered email, right? Now the deadline to complete this entire process of completing the playlist and then applying for the voucher is till 12th June 11:59 p.m. So make sure that you complete this process before that time, and it's not a mandatory thing to complete all the playlists. You just need to complete one playlist, and then you can simply fill up the form, and then you'll be eligible to receive the voucher. So make sure that as soon as you complete your first playlist, you just fill up this form so that you become eligible for the voucher. And then if you want to explore other playlists as well, you can just go and check them out, right? It's not like if you complete more playlists then you'll be receiving multiple vouchers. You'll only receive one voucher irrespective of the number of playlists you complete, right? So it's always a better idea to just submit the form as soon as you complete your first playlist. But yeah, it's very important that the progress should be 100%. Only after that you just fill up this form so that you make sure that you don't do any mistake while for receiving your voucher. All right, so this was the entire process for getting the free voucher. You'll be receiving the voucher on your mail, and enjoy the AI Skills Fest. Have a good day. Bye bye.